welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with another unboxing, and this time it's EXO's Reverxe. First, I received these two cards. I have Suho and Sehun, and if you flip them over, there's Dio and Kai. I am going to start with the compact version. So with the compact version, you get to choose a member and you get a pre-order benefit if you pre-ordered it, which I did. And the member I chose was Chanyeol. Let's see who I have as a photo card. So I have Suho. Now let's open this up and see what's inside. So this is the front and the back, and we see two mini CDs and this photo book. Let's flip through. And these two are inside. Let's look at this sticker first. It is all of them. And we have one more photo card, and this is Kai. Next, I have this photo book, and there were two versions, and I chose the Reverxe version. Let's open it up and see what's inside. This is the back, and the track list is carved in. And this is the front. Open it like this. And let me dump everything out first. Okay, now let's flip through. And at the end, you have the CD along with the credits. Now let's get into what came inside the photo book. The first thing is this poster. Here's the poster I have. And then I have this postcard, and at the bottom it says Suho. So I know that he is right here on the other side. Next is this sticker. It says Reverxe. We have these photo cards. There are three. The first photo card we have is Sehun and Chanyeol. The next one with this crown is no other than Lay. And this last card is all of them. Well, that was super fun. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.